Namaste, welcome to my channel Maths on Board by Vedavati. Now I am going to teach multiples and factors. Multiples and factors. Observe this. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. See here, observe. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are multiples of, you can say this is multiples of 2. Okay, means see, and this is called, you can say here 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. If you multiply 2 or more numbers, for example 2 into 3 into 6 is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 6 are 36. If you multiply 2 or more numbers, you will get a product. This product is called as multiple. This product is called as multiple. And one more thing, we are going to discuss about factors. And the numbers which we are multiplying to give product are multiple. Those are called factors. Those are called factors. And is this a factor or not? How can you check? For example, 3 is a factor of 36. Is it true or not? If you want to find out, see, divide with the 3. Divide 36 with the 3. 3 ones are 3. Minus 3 minus 3 is 0. Take 6 down. 3 2s are 6. Remainder is 0. Then 36, you can write it as the product of 3 into 12. Then 3 12s are 36. Then this 36 is a product. These 3 and 12 are the factors of 36. If you get remainder as a 0, if you divide 36 with 3, remainder as a 0, if you get the divisor and quotient, both are the factors. Both are the factors. 3 and 12, both are the factors. If you write product of 2 or more numbers, product of 2 or more numbers, will you get, if you will get a multiple. The product of what numbers you have written, that numbers are called factors. That numbers are called factors. See here, these are, if you multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with 2, you will get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's why these are multiples of 2, you can say. These are multiple. Tables are nothing but multiples. Tables are nothing but multiples. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are called multiples of 2. And this is called as a multiple or as well as product, you can say this one. These numbers, 2 or more numbers, if you multiply and will give a product, then these numbers we call it as factors. This is a multiple. This is a multiple. This is a multiple. Now I think you are clear about multiples and products and factors. This multiple is nothing but a product. And now on the basis of this multiples and factors, we can find out HCF and LCM. Before finding HCF and LCM, we want to come to know about prime numbers or prime factors and composite numbers. For example, see here, prime and composite numbers. Numbers that have only 2 factors are called prime numbers. Numbers that have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Now I will tell you example. Before that, first 1. This you have to come to know this factor. What is this? 1 is a factor for all numbers. 1 is a factor for all numbers. For example, 1 into 13, 13. 1 into 10, 10. 1 into 5, 5. See, these two are factors for any number. See here, 1 is a factor for any number. For all the number, 1 is a factor. 1 is a, see, if you write product of two numbers, you will get a multiple. Then the two numbers are the factors of the product. Okay, then this 1 is a factor of 13, 1 is a factor of 10, 1 is a factor of 5. Like that you will get for all the number. 1 is a factor of 1 is a factor of all numbers, and every number is a factor itself. See, you are multiplying 1 with 13, or 13 if you multiply with 1 you are getting 13. Then 13 also is a factor of 13, 10 is a factor of 10, 5 is a factor of 10. Then every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. Two things you have to remember. 1 is a factor of all the numbers. A number is a factor of itself always. These two are very important. On the basis of these 2 points, now I am going to give the explanation about prime numbers. See here, for example, 1 and prime numbers. Prime number means what? What is the definition of prime number? Prime number. Prime numbers. Prime numbers. The numbers which have only 2 factors. Only 2 factors are called prime numbers. Numbers. Example, see for example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. See, for example, write 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 5, 5. Other than 1 and itself, no other factors for these numbers. Either 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. These all will have 1 and itself only factors. Other than this, no other factors for this. That's why these numbers are called prime numbers. In this, one more important point, 1 and only 1 even prime number is 2. Any even number will have more than 2 factors. But here 2 is even number. Though it is a even number, it is having only 1 and itself is a factor. That's why it is 1 and only 1 even prime number. Remaining all are odd prime numbers. Other than 2, remaining all prime numbers are odd prime numbers. This is the important thing you have to remember. This is important for 4th, 5th, 6th, and not only for these classes. This 1 and only 1 even number is 2 is important for 10th annual examination also. And next, composite number. The numbers which have more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. Composite numbers. The numbers which have more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Example, you can take anything, 24, 12, 10 and so on. See for example 24, you can write 2 ones are 2 twos are. Then you can write 24, 1 comma 12 are the 2 comma 12 are the factors. If you divide with 2, If you divide with 2, what you will get? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Then 2 and 12 are the factors. Then 124s are 24. And next you try with the 4. You try with the 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. Then 4 and 6 are the factors. Next 6 4s are 24. 8 3s are, with 3 if you divide also, 3 8s are 24. Then 3 and 8. See, 1 and itself. Other than this, so many factors are there. So many factors are there. That's why we can say this 24 is a composite number. What is the definition of composite number? The numbers which have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. This 12. 12 means 1, 12 are the factors. The number and 1 is a factor for all the numbers, and 12, the number itself is a factor for itself. The number is a factor of itself. And afterwards 2 6s are, 3 4s are, 4 3s are, 6 2s are, it's completed. Then say more than 1 and itself, how many 4 factors are there? Then this is also composite number. This one 1 10 5 2s are 10, 2 and 5. These are also factors. More than 2, these are all having. Then the numbers which have more than 2 factors, then it is called as a composite number. The number which has only 2 factors is called as a prime number. What are the only 2 factors? 1 and itself is a factor, means the number which have 1 and itself is a factor, then the number is called as a prime number. These prime numbers we use in HCF and LCM. While finding the HCF and LCM by division method, we will use the prime numbers. These are called as a prime factors because we are dividing, that's why we call it as a factor. Okay, these are the important basic points about multiples, factors, and product, and prime number and composite number. Thank you. If you like my class, please like my video, share to your friends, subscribe my channel. Thank you.